Hi everyone, I'm Alexa Langdale, Marketing and Communications Manager for Utilities. Today we're at the Seaview office in Wellington and we're here to talk to Shani. Let's go. Hi Shani, do you want to go and grab a coffee and have a chat?
Hi Lex, sure. Let's go get a coffee.
So Shani, what do you like to do for fun?
Outside of work, I'm interested in cars, motorsport and trout fishing, particularly fly fishing for trout.
So how long have you been at Downer and what do you enjoy most about working here?
So I've been at Downer 5 years now. I think what I enjoy most is the people. We've got people from different cultures and different experience levels throughout the organisation. I really enjoy the people and dealing with, interacting with the people throughout the organisation. I enjoy mentoring younger people coming through. I enjoy the support that we have in the organisation for people learning and growing into their positions. That's the best thing about Downer, I think, is the depth of knowledge and the depth of support that we've got for people to grow in the company.